I would like to invite you to watch this exciting video on coronavirus and risk management. In this video, I will show you how intelligent decision management can ensure added value for your company and achieve your business goals, and how you can maintain risk control over your business processes. My name is Jürgen Richter, or JR for short. Allianz Insurance uses business surveys around the world to identify the top 5 business risks for 2020. These are: number 1, cyber incidents; number 2, business interruptions; number 3, changes in legislation and regulation; number 4, natural disasters; and finally, number 5, market developments. Pandemic risks such as the current coronavirus only ranked 17. It's important to know that standard insurance contracts not cover epidemic-related sales losses and shutdowns of industrial productions or other losses, as the cause is a virus and not a property damage or personal injury. Smart and automated decision and risk management increases the resilience of companies as well as risk control, and reduces the probability of occurrence of damages to properties and personal injury, and ensures the achievement of business goals. Health risks such as the pandemic of the coronavirus endanger the value creation network of your company and the achievement of your business goals. Do you know all of your business risks? Risks can sometimes be hidden. For example, if some of your suppliers, sub-suppliers or business partners have high default risk that you cannot see, but that will lead to interruptions in your company value chain. In the globalized networked world, we mostly only see the opportunities and forget the risks. The dependencies and thus the risks increase exponentially. Globalized network enterprise value creation networks are extremely vulnerable to flexible global risks. Every process input parameter in your business processes can potentially lead to process interruptions. The solution for risk control is a smart decision management, or DM for short. Here I show you, based on a business case, which risk-related decision criteria the smart risk management automatically checks in the background of your company value chain. With the help of predictable analysis, a prediction model is created based on current real-time and historical data. The solution that can prevent the failure of a business partner or supplier through smart risk and decision management is described here. The prerequisite is that there are risk-relevant decision points named gateways in your business processes. If these gateways not available, your processes must be optimized first. Here you can see the process of the supplier decision based on the business rules and the defined decision criteria. Decision management can only be as good as the quality and agility of your business rules, is the basis for decision making for the further risk control process flow. If your company decides to use only one alternative supplier for this process, then potential default risks are higher than if you choose two or more alternatives, suppliers or alternative business partners. The four important prerequisites for the best decision management are: number 1, completeness and correctness of the information. Number 2, trustworthiness and security of the information sources. Number 3, availability of decision-making competence and expertise, as well as number 4, decision experience and a clear business goal statement. Here I show you more business cases on the topic of risk management. Significant risks or combinations and chain reactions of risks can lead to corporate insolvency. I present the complexity and the interdependency between risks here. Without intelligent risk and decision management, you can no longer control dependencies and chain reactions to risks. As you can see, most of the risks lead to business interruptions. In accordance with the 80-20 rule, it is recommended to start with the most important risks for your company or your value chains, and then gradually establish further risk rules in your business processes and thus ensure that the business objectives are achieved. A devastating solar storm such as the Carrington event of 1859 can literally kill entire electricity infrastructures such as electricity transformers and devices connected to the electricity grid within only 90 seconds thanks to its plasma cloud. According to a study by Californian researchers, the probability of occurrence is within the next 10 years around 12% and in the next 50 years between 80 and 100%. The next extreme solar storm will catapult us back from the digital age to the stone age. The question is not whether, but when does it arrive on Earth? No company is prepared for this disaster. Sunstorm damage is mostly excluded in the insurance cover through clauses, as this could cost the insurance companies billions of euros. Here you can see the most important advantages of smart risk and decision management for your company. It is important that by defining your business rules and selecting your decision criteria, you determine how adaptable, agile and future-proof your business processes can be controlled. Here I show you the 4 most important steps for the introduction of a smart risk management solution. The support of the company management is important for the introduction of decision management, since in addition to organizational and process optimization, important basic business rules of the company also have to be adapted. My conclusion from the current corona crisis is that every company can learn from this crisis and from the risk experience. To protect against future risks, it is advisable to optimize your value creation network in order to emerge from the crisis stronger. Smart decision management protects your company from negative surprises, high costs, and business interruptions, and ensures that business objectives are achieved. Now it's your turn to activate a protective shield for your company. Start your project now. If you have no active control over your processes, then your company is controlled by the system environment. New business models and new disruptive technologies bring many opportunities and growth for your company, but also have many known and new unknown risks. Take control of your risks and decisions into your own hands now. Do you have further questions or current risks or business process problems? I would be happy to advise you. Contact me now. Thank you for your attention. I always wish you a safe achievement of your business goals. Sincerely yours, Jürgen Richter.